Hello guys, you have seen lots of advertisement on your social media accounts like Instagram and Facebook like Bariatric seed recipe for weight loss, and when you click on the links you will see this kind of product will appear on your screen, and Fast and Lean Pro, and you have seen lots of videos on your social media accounts like they are just explaining like how you can get benefits related to these kind of recipes and all. And when you click on their links they will redirect you to on these kind of windows, so you should use their product or not. So my dear friends, I want to tell you only one thing: all are affiliate products. You should not try these kind of product. There is no such kind of proof available on the internet like these kind of recipes will really work. And when you try to use their recipes, or you can say when you try to use their, you can say, link, they will redirect you to on another, you can say, link, and on that link you need to purchase this kind of product. And when you purchase this kind of product, they will not give you any kind of benefits. You have lose your all the money and you will not get any kind of benefits. So you need to be very careful. Don't purchase any kind of product related to these kind of recipes and all. Okay, so this is the information. Now you can make your own decision what you have to do. I have done my job, now your turn. You can do anything whatever you want. I just only suggest you like you can save your hard-earned money. Don't invest any money in this kind of product. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.